Put your hands on your pubic bone and sacrum. Relax the muscles in your pelvic floor. Turn your head to the side and cough over your shoulder. You'll probably be able to feel more pressure in your abdomen and around the pelvic floor. Do this again a few times until you can feel that change in pressure. Come back to the center and let your arms hang loose. Repeat the exercise again. This time, tense your pelvic floor first. Place your hands on your pubic bone and tailbone. Turn your head to the side, tense your pelvic floor, and cough over your shoulder again. Cough a few times and notice any changes in the stomach and pelvic floor areas. Good. Turn your head back to the center. Remember this little trick the next time you have to cough or sneeze. Your pelvic floor will thank you.